In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an A4 landscape canvas in Gimp. If you're setting up a document for print, worksheets, presentations, or any design that needs standard paper sizing, creating the canvas correctly from the start is really important. In this walkthrough, we'll make an A4 canvas in landscape orientation, which means the page will be wider than it is tall. To begin, open your Gimp app. Once Gimp is launched and you're on the main workspace, head to the top menu of the screen. This is where you'll find the main file and editing options you need to create a new project. At the top, click on File. This opens the File menu where you can create, open, and manage documents inside Gimp. From that menu, click on New. This will bring up the New Image dialog box, which is where you define the size of your canvas. Now we're going to enter the correct dimensions for an A4 landscape page. For the width, type in 297 millimeters. For the height, type in 210 millimeters. These are the standard A4 measurements when the page is set horizontally or in landscape format. If you ever use portrait instead, those values would simply be reversed. But for this canvas, we want the wider layout. Before confirming the size, make sure the unit is set correctly. If Gimp is currently showing the dimensions in pixels or px, change that setting to millimeters. This step matters because entering print dimensions in the correct unit helps you get an accurate page size without having to manually convert measurements. It also makes your setup much more reliable if your project is intended for printing later. Once the width is set to 297 millimeters, the height is set to 210 millimeters, and the unit has been changed from pixels to millimeters. Click OK. Gimp will instantly create your new canvas using those dimensions. And that's it. You now have an A4 landscape canvas ready to use in Gimp. From here, you can start designing, adding images, placing text, or building out your layout with the confidence that your document is set to the correct paper size. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check your canvas dimensions before you begin any major design work, especially if the file is meant for printing. That small habit can save you time later and help avoid resizing issues.